how to fix Windows 10 missing files problem. So in order to fix the missing files or corrupted files problems in Windows, what you can simply do is go to the search bar right here, click on it, type CMD, and at the right hand side, after these options open up, make sure to click on Run as Administrator right here, the second option. Click on it, and after you're led to the command prompt screen right here, type SFC, which stands for System File Checker /scan now. Scan now is together, click on enter, and after you do that, the system scan will begin. The process might take about 5 to 10 minutes in order to scan the entire system, and after the scanning is complete, and if you are presented with a message right here, the Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, then that is good news. This means that you don't have any missing files or corrupted files in your system. But if your system did detect some integrity violations, then the scan should pick it up. This means that the prompt that we entered right here, the scan, should pick it up and restore them to get your PC working as efficient as possible. So that's it for today. That was a simple step on how you can fix missing files in Windows 10 or 11. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.